What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Hey guys, look who I have back with me today.
I'm back here again.
She is back again, guys. I guess she just loved the photo so much that she came back for a second time.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. I guess I really do be doing a good job out here, man. Now, she's out here going to help us out with the whole entire video. Now, this video is going to be all about, released a video a while back about, the best combination for on-camera flash was the 50mm, the Nikon Z8. But today I'm going to do the similar video, but with this time with the 35 1.2 Sigma lens, the Nikon Z8, and of course I'm going to have the Neewer Z2 Pro with this. And I got this little soft box that's going to help out with the light, guys. I'm just going to kind of just use nothing but this whole entire lens this whole entire time. As you can see, kind of almost right behind us, we got this little, almost like a bus stop type thing. I don't know, some industrial, so I don't know. We're going to see if we're going to get kicked out or not. What do you think? You think we're going to get kicked out?
I hope not.
She hopes not. Okay, guys, so we're going to go down, we'll use up at 35, man. Knock this on out, guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed the video. Karina, do you want to say anything else to the peeps?
Hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, enjoy the video, guys. And of course, if you don't work with all the stuff down, it's going to be a description box below. Of course, what popped on the screen by now. You ready to get to work?
Yeah.
She's ready to get to work this time. She's ready to get to work. Let's get to work.
Yeah, I like this.
All right, let's redo this because I did not hit the record button, so now I got to have a record me doing this. All right, somebody steal my cart, guys. Yeah. Let's run through all those poses again. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Look to your left. Yeah, put your hands up on both of them now. Yeah. Look right at me. Stay there, and with that pose, just stay everything right there. And bring your head to me. Yeah. Hold up now, we got some heat out here today. She ain't playing with him today. Hold up with the look. Hold up, she ain't here playing with him today. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
I like that.
Let's actually have put your back on here, like that. Let's see what we can get with that.
With this sticker?
Yeah. Actually, that's real perfect, yeah. And look directly to me.
So if you're gonna stick around, and if you plan to hold me down, be patient 'cause I'm finding out that I might need you. Yeah. Don't wanna mess up. Don't you love me? Can't get enough. And I'ma keep my heart by my side. I can act up. Don't lean out.
Let's get you. You just lean on that thing like that. Right there in that position right there. Yeah. Look to the left there. Yeah. There. Oh, that fells right there. Yeah. Well, if that's the case, maybe let's get you. Maybe I can get you on here, sitting on the top of this rail here. Let's do it that way. So let's get you on top of this, like sitting on top of here. You can sit on top of here. Yeah. Oh yeah, because I can have you just looking just off like that, yeah. Now if I could just angle this the way I want it. Maybe I want to go up higher. Yeah. Hold that pose again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See if you can put your head. Can you scoot a little closer and put your head on the window? If you scoot yourself closer. Yeah. Then put your head on the. Perfect. And bring that foot up just a tad bit too. Bring them both up at the same level. Yeah. Now see if I can get you laying on your stomach because I'm gonna have your head. Your head's gonna be towards me. I'm gonna shoot right here. And then we can pretty much be done. Let's see here. Get perfect just like that. Up and bring your ankles up just like that. Perfect. I got you in the middle. I gotta come in this way. Yep, here. Oh, that's the angle right there. You look right at me. Yep, good job. Yeah, this is what I need. Oh yeah. Look at the camera. Yep. Look to the right. Yep. Look to the left. Oh, then I'm gonna do this view right here. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Karina and I just put in for you. Now, Karina, how'd you enjoy that?
This time it was pretty easy now.
It's pretty easy. Are you saying you're becoming a natural?
Not really a natural, but I'm getting.
Oh, you're getting used to it now.
Yeah.
So it's just like this video was all about the 35 1.2 by Sigma and on-camera flash with the Neewer Z2 Pro for speed light. And of course, I just got this little, I don't know what size this is, but I bought this thing like probably 5 years ago, and I just now really started using it actually just to make these on-camera flash videos. But I kind of like the softbox. I didn't use the dome one. I know I used the dome before, but I didn't use it in this one. But other than that, man, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the photos, man. We just kind of really took advantage of this area right here and just kind of really shot a lot in this little area right here and just kind of made the best of it. And I actually think the 35 actually really worked very well in this situation, right?
Yeah.
What was your favorite photos?
I'll say the laying down part.
Oh, those laying down was actually your favorite? Oh man, the laying down thing. She was actually kind of hesitant when I told her later. She was like, oh. That's what she's like, what? Laying down, what? And then look, it comes out to be our favorite out of the whole entire bunch, guys. Now, of course, guys, if y'all want to work with Karina, all stuff is going to be in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Karina, want to say anything else on the peeps?
I really do hope you guys did enjoy the pictures.
Okay. All right, guys, y'all heard it here first. And of course, until next video.
Video.
Oh, she hit me a little quicker on that one. You see that, guys? I gave it to her and she was there. Let's try one more time. Oh, look at that, guys. All right, guys, until the next video. Peace. We'll say peace.